the end of this series, you'll be able to solve linear inequalities and compound linear inequalities, express your solutions graphically on a number line and in interval notation. First, we'd like to familiarize ourselves with the basic inequality signs. This is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. In inequality, the equality sign is replaced with an inequality sign. The equality is replaced with any of these inequality signs. That is for inequalities. The solutions of inequalities are always a range of values. Unlike linear equations where you have, let's say, 2x is equal to 4, for inequalities, you don't have an exact answer. The answer or the solution is always a range of values. So we said the equality sign is replaced with any of these inequality signs. Now there are rules to follow when solving inequality problems. Number 1, the inequality sign remains the same when the same number is added or subtracted from both sides. The inequality sign remains the same when the same number is added or subtracted from both sides. Number 2, the inequality sign remains the same when the same positive number multiplies or divides both sides. The inequality sign remains the same when the same positive number multiplies or divides both sides. Number 3, the inequality sign reverses when a negative number multiplies or divides both sides. I'll take that again. The inequality sign reverses when a negative number multiplies or divides both sides. That is to say, greater than would change to less than, greater than or equal to would reverse to less than or equal to, and so on and so forth. Your arrow would point in this direction from whatever value with the circle left open. When it is greater than, your arrow should be in this direction with the circle left open. When it is less than or equal to, your arrow goes in this direction, and then at this point you shade the circle. When it is greater than or equal to, your arrow goes in this direction, and then you also shade the circle. So in our next example, we shall see how we will use any of these to represent our solution graphically on a number line. So here we have an example given to us. 5 bracket 3 minus 2x bracket close plus 4 is less than or equal to 5 minus 3x. So in solving this, we would open up this bracket first and then continue from there. So 5 times 3, 15, minus 5 times 2x minus 10x plus 4 less than or equal to 5 minus 3x. Next, we'll collect like terms. So minus 3x will cross this inequality sign and it will change to plus 3x. Then all of these will go this way and their signs will as well change. Just the same way we do for linear equations. So minus 3x will come this way, 15 will go this way, plus 4 will go this way. So we have 3x minus 10x less than or equal to 5 minus 4 minus 15. 3x minus 10x will give us minus 7x less than or equal to 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 minus 15 is minus 14. At this point, we have minus 7x less than or equal to minus 14. So what do we do next? Divide both sides by minus 7. So if we do that, we have minus 7x divided by minus 7 less than or equal to minus 14 divided by minus 7. This will cancel out, then we have x. Now our final answer becomes greater than or equal to, this will cancel this, and we have 2. Remember, we said that the inequality sign reverses when a negative number multiplies or divides both sides. In this case, minus 7 is dividing both sides, so this less than or equal to would reverse and become greater than or equal to. So that's the final answer. We have another example given to us here. Solve and graph the solution on a number line 5x plus 7 less than 22. So in solving this, we'll quickly and simply send this plus 7 over to this side, and then it becomes 5x less than 22 minus 7. The positive sign has crossed an inequality sign, so the previous sign will change. Now this will give us 5x less than 15. Now at this point, we'll divide both sides by 5. 5x divided by 5 less than 15 divided by 5. 5 will cancel 5. We have x left. X is less than 5 into 15 is 3. So this is the final answer. Now the other part of the question says graph the solution on a number line. So for your number line, you get your ruler and your pencil, draw a straight line, and then you begin to, let's call this 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So let's number it 1, 2, 3. You can include some more numbers even though it is out of the range. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So x is less than 3. You come to where you have 3 and you make a circle, and then you draw a straight line in this direction. because x is less than 3 talks about all of the values that are less than 3. So -1 is less than 3, -2 is less than 3, 1 is less than 3, 2 is also less than 3. So from 3 downwards, like we said earlier, inequality solution talks about a range of values. A range of values. See you in the next video.